Hello guys, good evening. I am Saint LJ Zuzubrato,
And I am Denmark Eric Sousa.
and today we are going to share about three
About
products that
that regularly use. So first, I'm gonna say the three products that I use is the cell phone. It's made in China or another country. The second is Nature Springs, a water. It's a local made in Philippines from Cebu. And the third is a shoe. It's a brand is Nike, made from US or another country. What about you?
okay, thank you. For me, the first item that I choose is the cell phone, of course, because the cell phone is made from China, and also it is made for another country. And the second one is our clothes that we wear. I think it is made from Bangladesh, and the third one is the rice. It is locally used or it is locally made in the Philippines.
Okay, I have a question. Why do you think these products are produced in those countries?
I think those products are produced in those countries because first, the cell phone, I even mentioned that China. Of course, they have a lot of resources, and also the price that cannot be not is expensive. And the second one is the clothes, of course. One of the countries that has a lot of skilled workers, factories is the Bangladesh, and the third one is the rice. Locally made from Philippines. So as we can see, the Philippines is a lot of farms and also the rice fields.
Okay.
How about you?
About me, why do I think these products are produced in those countries? It's produced in those countries because I see the brand, the name of it, where they made, and where they made. I see the country that's all. And I have a last question. How does the international trade make this product available to you?
For me, international trades allows countries to buy different products coming from another country, coming from the Philippines or around the world or globally trading. How about you? What do you think?
It's available to me because as you can see, the two products came from a local Philippines, which is the cell phone and the Nature Spring. It's a local. Then and lastly, the shoe came from US, from another country. It's available to me because of the businessman, the people, and the investor. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
That's our
Presentation.
presentation. And thank
Thank
you.
you.